2023 BMW X5 M. With less than 23,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. Additionally, you'll be more than pleased with extra features like these: automatic parking, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, heads-up display, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, panoramic roof, moonroof. Call today to speak to any of our sales associates.